Here is the Subaru Crosstrek, and that is the reverse light bulb. To access it, we have to open up the hatch, and right over there is the access panel. To get the panel off, you will need a flathead screwdriver, one that looks like this. To get the screwdriver, put it right in that slot right there, and then pry the panel off. Once it's off a little bit like this, just grab it and then get it off the rest of the way. Put it aside, and inside there is the bulb holder. Just grab it and then twist it left, and at this point it should be loose and you should be able to just get it right out. To get the bulb off, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 7440. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Go ahead, get the new bulb and then simply push it down into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, it may not just drop in like this right away. So you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in, so be patient. But once it drops in like this, at this point just twist your right to lock it. And now let's put the panel back in, and this side with the slot, that should be facing the outside of the car, just the way I'm showing. Get it in place, press it down, and you are done. And that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.